Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin our repair of the Thermomix TM31 displaying error 52, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for testing the potentiometer. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Start by removing the base screws using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 4 screws located at the bottom of the machine. Once removed, gently lift the base cover off, revealing the internal components. Be cautious as some wires may still be connected. Next, locate the potentiometer, which is usually situated near the control panel. Inspect the potentiometer for any visible damage or disconnections. If you have a multimeter, check the resistance across its terminals to ensure it is functioning correctly. A reading outside the normal range indicates a faulty component that needs replacement. Before proceeding with any parts replacement, consider reaching out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can determine whether the repair is necessary or if other issues might be at play. If the potentiometer does require replacement, carefully unscrew it from the control panel. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this during installation of the new part. If you're unsure about the process or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free for you. Once you have the new potentiometer connected in the same configuration as the old one, ensure that all connections are secure, and then reassemble the base cover by reversing the earlier steps. Tighten all screws firmly but avoid over-tightening to prevent any damage. After reassembly, plug in the Thermomix TM31 and power it on. Check to see if the error 52 has been resolved. If the error persists, it may be indicative of a deeper issue within the machine. In such cases, we recommend getting a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. Finally, remember that keeping the internal components clean can help prevent future errors. Regular maintenance, including dusting and checking connections, will enhance the longevity of your Thermomix. If you need assistance at any point, just let us know, as we provide no calls, no travel services to make your experience as easy as possible. By following these steps, you should be able to address error 52 effectively and maintain the performance of your Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.